Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Premium Lace Wig once more. It says fashion and beauty under the bottom. And this happened during shipping. Okay, this is not how they shipped it. But yeah, so have the wig here, and for everything else in the box, I got a wig cap, extra elastic band, some clips and hairpins. I even got a rat tail comb, a pair of lashes, and I got an information card. Lastly, it says Premium Wigs, you know, has how to care the hair and all of that. It has their website and social media platforms listed on the inside. So yeah, that's everything that's in the box. So this is today's wig that we're working with. This is a Brazilian virgin hair loose wave natural color lace front wig. It's a 13x6 lace front, so you know it's a nice deep parting. It has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps, medium brown lace, and it is pre-bleached in the front. Like I said, 2.5 inches in the front, it's pre-bleached. I can clearly see it. It's not bleached on this side, but here it's fully like pre-bleached, so that's nice. It's lightly pre-plucked, just so you guys know. It's really soft. So this hair, they say it's 26 inches. It really looks more like 24 to me though, but that's what they say. It's really light. It's 130% in density, so that explains why it's so light. It's really light, not heavy at all, and it's a medium cap that I got as well. So I feel like this wig is super manageable and stuff. So that's good. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump on into applying this.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep scoring. I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never
As you can see, I went ahead and I applied it with my
with you.
Got to Be spray.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars.
It's not a long-term for you guys know, like if it's not a long-term install, I use Got to Be spray, but if it is, then I'll use my glue, which you know is the one that I've been using. It's really good. But today I just use the Got to Be, and I'm not gonna lie, the hairline portion is not too bad at all. As I said before, I really do like how soft the hair feels. I have gotten minimal shedding, okay. I just wish it was longer, because you know, for 26 inches I feel like it should be given a little bit more length. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my elastic band around the edges here so that it can really like melt into the skin more. You don't know the vibes. We just make everything look as natural as possible. So I just cut away the excess lace, and then I go in and fine tune it after I remove my elastic band. As you can see, I'm gonna do my 2 swoops at the side. Nothing too extra. And for the most part, this was really easy to install. Really wasn't any hassle. Even though the hairline is lightly plucked, it really wasn't a hassle to install. I'm gonna take my wax stick. This is so light. This is super manageable, super light, because it's only 130% in density, as I said before. So it's like you can't even feel anything on your head, and that's good, especially if you're like a newbie to wearing wigs. It's perfect for a beginner. That's how I feel. So I'm wondering if I should do a flip over with it. These curls, I really don't want to wet them up. I really don't want to wet up the curls at all. I love how pretty and soft they are. As I said, yes, I am getting minimal shedding. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I did get a couple strands, just so you guys know. I'm kind of fluffing it out because I think this is how I'm gonna rock it. That's where it catches me. Usually if it's like 26, it would reach like at the end of my shirt here, but nonetheless it's really nice. For the most part, I find their wigs to be standard, you know, pretty cool. Yeah, and that's how I feel about the quality of today's wig. It's nice, it's manageable, and I feel like it's perfect for a beginner, you know. Perfect for a beginner. With a wig like this, with a texture like this, you want to pay a little bit more attention to it though, because curly textures, you know, if you don't, they're easier to wear on a day-to-day basis, just because you don't have to necessarily flat iron it or worry about curling it up. But what you need to make sure to ensure that you do is detangle them, because if you don't detangle them on a like daily basis, or like each time you wear it at least, it gets matted and tangled. And I mean, that's just natural. It's curls that you're working with, so it's expected. But this is what we look like. This is what we look like. Let me know your thoughts down below in my comments section. All the necessary information on this wig, you know, the direct link, all the specifications, it will be in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. Shout out to Premium Lace Wigs once more for this gorgeous wig. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.